How to create a club on Carrom Pool. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are trying to create a new club in Carrom Pool, then first of all, launch open the Carrom Pool disc game open on your device. Once you're inside the home page of Carrom Pool, go ahead and tap on this club button on the right hand corner. This club option will appear after you complete some level. So make sure that you complete some levels until this club option appear, and once it does, click on it. Now go to the very top and click on Create Club. Now go ahead and select your club's logo, tap the change button at the top and choose a different logo for your club. Once you do, click Confirm, and now enter your club's name on the next page. Choose a fun and catchy name for your club, something that represents your team spirit, maybe even an inside joke among friends. Once done, go to the next field and enter the club description. Describe what your club is about, and once done, click on the 100 button at the bottom. In order to create a club, you'll need to spend 100 gems. Tap on it and there you have successfully created a club. Now you have your club displayed on the page. You can go ahead and invite friends or other players. Tap the invite button at the top right corner, and then if you've got any friends, you'll be able to invite them. So there you go. That is how you can easily create your own club in Carrom Pool. You can always edit your club's name and other description by tapping the pencil button at the top and making your necessary edits. So that's it. You have successfully done it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.